Okay, we think that we're live. Welcome to office hours today. I'm going to try an experiment. Something new for me. I'm going to try and play a YouTube here, a YouTube video, especially while we're just waiting for folks to come in. So there we are. We think we need to add something to the playlist. Go to my stuff and we'll hypothesis. Sorry that there's a YouTube going. I just don't know how to handle this quite yet. So what I'm looking for is some of the hypothesis testing videos. So while we're waiting for people to come on, let's look at this one right here, an upper tail test. Shoot. Okay. Obviously that's not working. Sorry. All right. Let's see what we can work on today. That last attempt was unsuccessful. So what I'd like to do is go to web work. Let me work my way in there just real quickly. And we'll look at some problems from there again. Okay, I'm going to do some from the central limit theorem problem set. Let's try problem number 7. Here's the situation. We've got 60 numbers are rounded off to the nearest integer and then summed up. If the individual round-off errors are uniformly distributed over negative 0.5 to 0.5, what's the probability that the resultant sum differs from the exact sum by more than 4? Okay, this is a uniform distribution in the original population, so we need to know how to find the mean and the standard deviation of that. There is a YouTube video that does that job. Let me share this problem with you so that you can see which one I'm reading. There we are, sharing that particular video. A YouTube video addresses that very problem, and in fact if you go to my channel you'll often be able to, there's about 260 videos there now. Not all of them are visible, but you can search through there and find lots of videos. Let's see. Here's an example of a central limit theorem applied to a uniform distribution. Let me see if I can share that screen with you. Okay, great. Let me work my way back here so that I'm with you live. And we'll quit sharing that screen. Okay, I'll be interested to see if how that video in a video worked out. I don't see any viewers online yet. Possibly we could look at another video addressing some of the problems that we're looking at. Let me find that and I'll put it on screen and share it with you. Take me just a second to get that. Hypothesis. Okay. So in my channel, I just searched for hypothesis test. Here's a worked out hypothesis test. Let me get that started for you. Hang on just a second. Just a minute. Okay, cool. So as you can see in that particular example, we would reject the null hypothesis because the test statistic was larger. Okay, let me work my way back here and say hi to y'all. All right. I don't see anybody that's checked in today for office hours. You're always welcome to come to office hours and raise some questions. There is a growing list of videos specifically for this class answering questions from our WebWork problems in my channel, but many other people are looking at R and at statistics. R is absolutely the fastest growing software package for statistical computing in the entire world. Okay, it's good to work with you. I wish you the best on the homework, and I think that at this point we're going to stop the broadcast, and thanks for coming online. It's good to see you.